My name is Dr. Naseem Indarayas. I'm the Vice President of Christian Friends International, and the message I have for CFI, Christian Friends International, and Agape Fellowship International is that you and we are doing great job for our people, and let us not stop doing it until the last breath. As Nehemiah said, I'm doing a great job. I'm carrying on a great work, and I do not have time to come down and talk to you. Why should the work stop? Why should the work suffer when I go down and talk to you? So I want to tell CFI and I want to tell Agape Fellowship International, keep on doing what God has called you to do. Why should the work stop? Why should the work suffer? My burden for my people is that nobody thinks about my people. Therefore, I want to do whatever I can that is within my power until the last breath for my people, to educate my people, to get them up and out of their poor misery.